Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to our another video. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, we will explain how to use our hair device, that means hair remover, in the effective way and get the good results. So let's jump on our new video. So our main point, that is first point, is background of the effective use. So after get many suggestions from our after sales service that maximum customers cannot use this device in the correct way. That customers maybe almost 70% return rate for this issue. So our suggestion is all time use this device in the correct way, in the correct cycle and frequency. That means maintain the proper rules and regulation. So you have to remember this all the time. So now number 2, that is product features and characteristics of our skin. So this hair remover have some active principle of lights. So you have to remember that this light, when you use on your skin, that reduce your growing of hair, and you should absorption power on your skin. And remember, you have to use this device in for almost like 8 weeks, and after the 8 weeks you have to continue use at least in a month 2 or 3 times. That will give you a long time result. So you have to remember this always. So our last point is effectiveness of our devices. So we already study on the market about all the device of the other brands, and we see that means our product and the others product almost like a same quality and maintain the minimum benchmark. So I think you will get our device in the reasonable price and also get the good quality product in this time. And if you maintain the manual as we said in our instruction, we think that you will get your expected results, that is obviously. So I hope you like this video, and we will come up more effectiveness information in the next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.